Damn, seemed like Kodak Black every time I turn around, that demon on his back. They got him back in jail, man. Yeah, when you got that monkey on you, man, it's hard to shake. And I don't know if that's the source of all his problems, but I know it has to be a compounding factor, man. Heavy drugs, rock and roll lifestyle, almost an unlimited source of money. All we can do is pray for him, man. But it look like he got arrested. We finna see what they talking about with him. With no further ado, let's see what the news is even saying. Kodak Black has been up to.